In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions into QuickBooks Online with the Import Data tool. If you've been entering transactions by hand or trying to keep spreadsheets in sync, this workflow will save you time and help maintain accuracy across your books. Before we jump in, make sure you have your transaction file ready in CSV or Excel format. It helps to use clear column headers like date, description, amount, and account. Keep your dates consistent, and make sure amounts are formatted as numbers without extra symbols. If your file includes separate columns for money in and money out, that's fine. QuickBooks can map to either a single amount column or to separate columns during the import. Now, open QuickBooks Online. At the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. Under the Tools section, select Import Data. This is where QuickBooks gathers everything you need for a structured import, so you won't have to copy and paste line by line. You'll be asked to choose the type of data you want to bring in. For transactions, choose Bank Data. Then, select Browse and point to your CSV or Excel file containing the transactions you want to add. Give QuickBooks a moment to read your file. Next, you'll see the mapping screen. This step is key. You'll align your file's columns with the QuickBooks fields, such as date, description, amount, and account. Take your time here. Make sure the date column maps to date, your memo or narrative maps to description, and your amounts map to either a single amount field or to separate fields for money in and money out, depending on how your file is set up. If your file includes an account or bank column, map it to the appropriate QuickBooks field so the transactions land in the right place. If a required column is missing, go back to your file and add it, then return to this screen. Click. Next, to review the preview of your mapped data. Scan the list for any obvious issues like swapped columns, incorrect signs on amounts, or unexpected dates. When everything looks good, click Import to bring the transactions into QuickBooks. After the import finishes, go to Bank Transactions to review and categorize what came in. Assign the correct categories, add payees, and match transactions to existing records where appropriate. This final review ensures your reports and reconciliations stay accurate. You have successfully imported transactions into QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.